Hi friends, welcome back to Baran Creations, Art, Craft and Cooking. So today in this video I'll be showing how to make Upilitta Manga. So I ate this Upilitta Manga for the first time in Munnar, Kerala when we went for tour. So from then on I'm very fond of this Upilitta Manga, salted mangoes. It tastes really very good and it's the best way to preserve mangoes for a long time. So let's have a look on the process and how to make this. So let's start to make Upilitta Manga. To make this I have taken 1 kg to 50 grams of raw mango. Wash it and then pat them dry. So I have done it. Now let's cut them. Cut here. Cut like this. Then cut like this, wedges, not too thin and not too thick, medium size. You can put the seed, mango seed, whole, or else you can throw it off. So repeat the same with other mangoes as well. So now I have cut the mangoes. Now let's begin the process. So first take 2 of a glass of water. Then add 3 tablespoons salt. Switch on the flame. Add 3 tablespoons of salt. Bit more. Then stir. Let it boil. So now let the salt solution, salt and water, simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Keep stirring. See, the solution is simmering. Now switch off the stove. Now let the water to cool down. So let salt and water cool down. Until then I have taken a glass jar. Sun dry the glass jar and make sure it is dry. Now take some green chilies, 9 to 10 green chilies, and slit them. Repeat the same with other chilies as well. So the water has cooled down. take the glass jar. So now the solution has cooled down. Let's place the mango slices. So let's arrange the mango pieces. And then put green chilies here and there. Green chilies gives a very good taste. Add this seasoning. Then a few more green chilies. Okay, so now let's pour the solution. Sorry, not solution, salt water. And sorry friends, actually I'm a science student, so I keep on using solution. So now add 5 tablespoons of synthetic vinegar. Oh, a bit less. Need to stir it. Mix well. If you feel like salt is less, then you can add bit and stir. Now start pouring the solution in the jar until it fills. Oh my god, I hope it gets filled. No, I need to make more salt water. Okay, we'll make it. So friends, actually what happened is the quantity of salt water which I made was less to the quantity of mangoes. So again I made the salt water. So totally on the whole I have used 1 cup of salt and 5 glasses of water and 10 tablespoons of white synthetic vinegar. Make more salt water so that there won't be shortage of salt water to fill the whole jar. So it should cover the mango pieces and chilies till top. Okay, we can add it's enough. So now close the lid tightly. Our Upilitta Manga is ready. It's looking very tasty and I want to eat it soon. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and maybe many of you have recalled it and already our mouth will be watering. So if you enjoyed watching this video, hit thumbs up, like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Bharan Creation for more videos. And soon we'll be reaching 5k. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much.